My name is Tyler Case, and I'm a senior at Rutgers University in New Jersey, majoring in meteorology and minoring in digital communication, information, and media, or DCIM. And good afternoon, Rutgers. Tyler Case here with your Wednesday afternoon edition of WeatherWatcher. If you took a peek out your window this morning or was walking to class, you probably saw a view similar to this with some snowfall on the ground. Did get a little over 3 inches yesterday, and it's going to linger for a while. 32 degrees. Good afternoon, Rutgers. Tyler Case here in the WeatherWatcher studio with your Tuesday afternoon edition of WeatherWatcher for November 26th, 2013. We are watching this storm heading our way for you guys, and as you take a look at our radar as of 2:45 p.m. this afternoon, you can see just how big it is, spanning across pretty much the entire eastern seaboard, and we do expect this to take quite a while to move through our area, as you can see as it pushes its way northeast. Don't expect the tail end of this to move out of our area until around Wednesday evening, possibly very early Thursday morning, but we'll have those details for you in just a little bit. For now, let's take a look at our afternoon.
New Brunswick. Tyler?
Thanks, Dante. As you can see right here, we do have a little bit of precipitation falling. It's actually a little bit of a wintry mix, about a mix of some sleet and a little bit of rainfall, and that's starting to make things a little icy here right now. Now, as you can see, there's also a lot of snowfall behind me. Take a look at this table back behind here. You can see all the accumulation. Out at Rutgers Gardens this morning, they measured about 5.9 inches, and that's just snowfall accumulation within the last 24 hours, so just under 6 inches tonight. And that's on top of the 6 inches that we already had of accumulation from that freezing rain event we had last week. That made that snow rock solid, and that's not going anywhere. So you can see almost a foot of accumulation in some spots. But again, that's from a mixture of several different storms. Right now, a little bit of mix of sleet. It may look a little calm at the moment, but we are starting to worry about what's called a wraparound, and that's we have precipitation to our west and our southwest, and that's going to begin to wrap around the back part of the storm and come into our area later tonight, and that could cause some issues for our evening commute and leave some accumulation that could leave us with issues for tomorrow morning. But right now it's looking like we're going to clear out sometime late tonight. That's all I have right now. WeatherWatcher will continue to cover this storm. Back to you, Dante.
Thank you so much, Tyler.
Now let's take a look at our regional highs for today. 53 degrees up there in Hartford, pair of 56s in Newark and Camden, 56 again down there in Baltimore, and then a pair of 48s down inland Hershey, Pennsylvania, and Albany, New York, respectively. Now, as we move on into the lows, you can see they're going to be quite cool tonight. 30 degrees up there in Hartford, 34 in Newark, 36 in Camden, 36 degrees again in Baltimore, and then a pair of 30s in Hershey and Albany, respectively. Now, if you're going to be traveling either tonight or tomorrow night to go home for Thanksgiving, please use some caution if you will be driving. Heavy rain tonight, showers tomorrow night, could even see some ice tomorrow night as the system moves out, the cold air drops in. Any moisture on the ground could freeze. We're looking at a low in the upper 20s, so that is below the freezing point, so we could see some ice after that system moves out of the way on any of those wet surfaces. Are looking at some delays and cancellations at Newark, LaGuardia, JFK, and Philadelphia International Airports. So if you are going to be flying anytime today or tomorrow, it looks like tomorrow those delays are going to get even worse as that weather worsens. So make sure you check with your airline if you will be flying home for Thanksgiving. And as I take a step out of your extended forecast, you can see us, and make sure you stay tuned as we keep you updated on that storm for this weekend. You can always find our forecast at Channel 6, RU-tv Channel 6, every 15 minutes. You can also find us on Facebook. Our page is RU WeatherWatcher. If you use Twitter, you can tweet us at RU-tv WW and use hashtag RUWeather, and you can always find us online at rutv.rutgers.edu. I'm Tyler Case. Thanks for watching, Rutgers. Best of luck on your final.